Hi, today I'm making a butter pecan pound cake. This thing is amazing. It is moist, it is flavorful, it has a different texture than a regular cream cheese pound cake, and it is well worth your time. So, we're going to begin with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1.5 cups of softened butter, unsalted butter. We're going to start with 3 cups of brown sugar. And so we're going to cream together the brown sugar, the butter, and the cream cheese. And again, this brown sugar has a little bit of a different texture. So, you see me covering it a little bit just to kind of keep it in the bowl when I'm starting. But it will turn to look just like this. So it'll be a light, soft brown. Next, we're going to add 6 eggs, one at a time. The eggs should be room temperature. And as we complete that process, the batter will look a little like this. Next, we're going to begin adding our flour a little at a time. You want to mix it, but not over mix it. So we're going to take about 2 cups of pecans for this recipe. So 1 cup or half a cup will actually go toward the inside the base of the cake, and the rest will be for the topping on the cake. So we're going to take and toast these pecans for about 10 to 12 minutes. And once that's done, we'll set them aside and let them cool, and then I chop them up. Now I've prepared my pan with Baker's Joy, but I'm putting a half a cup of the chopped pecans in the base of this prepared pan, and I'm returning to my batter and adding the 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mixing that, and then once it's mixed, transferring it to the pan. So the batter will go right on top of the pecans that are in the base, and we'll scoop it in. It'll look a little like this. I smoothed the top just a little with a spoon, so it'll be, not so lumpy. And we're going to cook this on 325 degrees for about 90 minutes or until done. You can conduct a toothpick test to make sure that it's done. When it's cooled, I've turned it over and prepare my cream cheese icing. So I have 3 cups of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. It's up to you. And a half a cup of softened butter. And we're going to combine the butter and the cream cheese along with the powdered sugar and mix until well. We'll add the vanilla to the icing, and we're going to just blend. Now, if you want it to be a little thinner, you can add whole milk to it and it'll thin it out. And so it's really your choice of consistency. I like this consistency for this cake. I'm now going to just transfer the icing onto the cooled cake. You do want the cake to be cool. And so it's a little thicker. And so you can see it's not as pourable as some of the glazes, but I like this for this particular cake. And I'm just going to frost it and it completely cover it in frosting. And this is what it'll look like. I've crushed my pecans just to make sure they're really fine. And then I'm going to just sprinkle them on the top of the cake. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's a beautiful cake. It is lighter and has a different texture because of the brown sugar. It is a delicious cake and one that I highly recommend for this holiday season.